Hello, we are Bustling Bees Group 5, Yarra, Tsaqib, and Ali. For this term's project, we will assume the role of engineers at a HighScope consulting firm. Our task is to design and develop an electric device that addresses a pressing issue in Jakarta.
This project will explore the ideas of saving the capital city Jakarta into a more livable space. The learning objectives of this project is able to apply the concept of responsible engineering in the engineering scope of work, able to use engineering project management to plan, do, and review the project, able to understand and use block diagrams to explain the interconnected between parts in a system, able to examine, re-examine, and use the 9 steps of engineering design process in the selected engineering B projects. The big question that we have for this term and project that will be used is why might visionary leaders cause and or affect transformation? The project focus question is how may act as a visionary leader to apply engineering design and design thinking process can contribute to a better Jakarta city. Both of those questions will be answered after conducting the project. For the project description, you will be acting as a group of engineers that is working in HS consulting firm. HS consulting firm win a project to build an electronic device to solve major problems that occur in the city of Jakarta. You will be working in a group of 3 and together come up with one specific innovation that meets certain criteria and requirements as stated in the project constraints. The constraints that we have for these projects are a new or an upgraded version of an existing innovation or technology. Fulfill the requirement of a green and sustainable design. Include at least 3 points from the Sustainable Development Goals from the UN.
For this terms project, we have chosen to address one of the most urgent issues in Jakarta, which is water pollution. Water pollution is a critical issue in Indonesia, with 59% of the country's rivers severely polluted. This problem urgently needs to be addressed for the sake of both the people and the ecosystem in Jakarta. Water pollution facilitates the transmission of disease such as diarrhea, hepatitis, typhoid, and many more. And it also diminishes the lifespan and reproductive capabilities of various organisms.
To address the issue of water pollution, we have decided to create a cleanup boat. This boat will be deployed in various rivers across Jakarta and will be equipped with an automated system to collect trash from the water surface.
You can see right here, this is the trash collection system, the roller. If you come over here, if you flick this switch, it'll turn on the roller right over here. It'll rotate itself based on the dynamo. And for example, let's pretend my AirPods right here is a piece of trash. It'll just get picked up and it'll eventually roll its way over here. And this is the trash collection system. Now, to turn on the dynamo, or the fan itself, you first have to click this switch right here. It'll turn on the dynamo. And for the controls, if you click here, you click the right button, the left hand will spin. However, it'll make the boat turn right. And if you click the right hand will turn and it'll turn over to the left. You don't have any mobility to move forward, so in that case you just have to really just click both buttons at the same time. And that's it.
Our current prototype has several flaws, but in the near future, we aim to enhance the boat's mobility and develop a more efficient, fully automated trash collection system. And that's all for our video. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.